a new video. Today we're gonna show you something which is very important on YouTube, and if you have a YouTube channel, you're gonna sometimes notice that things change without you even knowing what causes them. But now today I'm gonna show you something that YouTube did double what they call their earnings in 24 hours. You get me? So that happened to me. It can happen to you, and it happened before, and it has happened, like, it's not predictable. But now I've also learned one thing why that happened, and also I can't predict when it's gonna happen again, but if it happens, then it's something good for us and everybody. So now I'm gonna take you there and I show you what happened. They doubled my earnings in just 24 hours, something like I make on average a day. So it became twice the amount, which I did not even expect, but it happened before. I thought it was something which is not going to happen again. So it follows under that history repeats itself. You get me? So now I'm gonna go there, then we show you what's happening really. So I want to close these tabs which can disturb us to see what is going on. So now look what happened. So it went, you remember I made a video again here, the thing was under 10%, but now this is under 23%. You can see that that's a difference, you get me, in also Feb, as we started the year when things were not going well. So now you can see that they can show you how it did double the price, you get me. So what happened, you can see by the graph, there's nothing much changed according to the viewership. But now if you go here on revenue, you can see the previous day what was it, and the second day what was it, you get me. So and the previous day, you get me, the previous of the day before yesterday, you can see what how it worked, you get me. So but here today you can see that something happened, and why did that happen? You can see it said double, you get me. So from here to here it said double. So now what happens and what influences that? Sometimes you get good views, but you don't get good money. So why? Because you can see, if you come here, the RPM of the videos people watch might be low, you get me. So now it happens like then on a specific day you get a lot of money, more than the money you have or supposed to get, because people watched more videos which has high CPM, high RPM, you understand. So now that can influence your earnings. So if we come here and we see what they call what can make or cause that to happen, you can see that there is a video here. Let me show you. You can see there is a video here which like in a day, this is its performance. You can see one video, just one video, its performance. You can see it. I cannot mouse roll over on that, but you can see all the videos here and their performances. So you can see from bottom, so you get me. So you can see one video could make more, 1 2 3 4 could make almost double of each of the videos which were there on that day, you get me. So which performed well on that day. So you can see when we go back here, you can see that almost same videos are the ones which are having high CPM. So when we go here to video analytics here, you can find that you see this video, it's let me go to its CPM. You can see the CPM where it stands, to get me. So if people watch a lot of these videos, so you're gonna get a lot of money. So you can see the second video also has a high CPM, but the third video, its CPM is really high. It's even, and the fourth and the fifth, these videos, you see they have, you can see they have what a lot of the CPM is very high, but now the problem is they don't get much viewership like the first video. If this video, I would say this one was in the first place here, you can see it was gonna do like all the money you see which was made, it was gonna be double. Why? Even it was gonna be 4 times almost, because this, its CPM is 4 times like this than this, you get me? So when you go here, and this one is worse because it has more than, it has 10 times than the video on number 1, you get me? So now the reason why in some days you get more money and some days you get less money, it simply means people in some days they come and watch the videos with high CPM, and then on the days where you get less money, it simply means somebody came and watched more of these videos. You can, let me get you videos with low CPM, but something like this. You can see this video, it's one of the lowest, which has low CPM, this one, you get me? So since it has low CPM, if you get a lot of people who watches this video, so you're gonna get less money and you're gonna see a lot of views, you get me? So also, if you want to make money on YouTube, you have to target which videos you think can make more money than other videos, you get me? So you can get a lot of views and say, but you know what, my channel has a lot of views, but my friend told me he makes more money than the money I make, you get me? I wonder what's happening. This is what's happening. So go to this analytics and find out why. That's why you can see I told you that happened, whereby the money was doubled a day. That happened then also in a different month. That it just simply happened like randomly, you get me? So we cannot predict when it's gonna happen, but if you identify the videos which makes more money or has high CPM, so you can see and look into those topics and repeat the same topics, or I'm not repeating, I'm saying do more of those videos if your main target is to make money, you understand? So when you do more of those videos, you're gonna see that your earnings can improve while the viewership is not much improving. And also if the viewership improves, then you're gonna get a lot of money, you understand? So that's one of the secrets people don't know about that, you get me? So that made me to make those videos, because this video, because I've realized something which I was even asking myself. Look at the shoot up. You can see the shoot up on this graph. It's not even normal, you get me? So it goes and shows that one video earned 7 times than it got 7 times than the second video on that, you get me? So it got almost 1000% on what revenue than the video which was in number 5 on top of the graph, you get me? So this really influences the way people earn money on YouTube. So the CPM is really very important. So since it's important, so you can only have to, you cannot, I don't know if there is a way to improve the CPM of videos which are existing on your channel, but there is a way to know how to make your CPM high on the new videos you're gonna make. So what you do, you just come here and check up all this, you get me? Guys, if any of this happened to you guys, I want you guys to share, to make videos and push them on YouTube, so that everyone learns and they don't waste much time on videos which are not going to benefit them much, you get me? So people make YouTube videos sometimes to benefit people, sometimes to benefit themselves, but if you find a video does not benefit you and does not benefit a viewer, then it's a useless video, you get me? At least make a video which benefits a viewer, but also by the end of the day you have to make also some money from that video. Why? You spend your time in research and doing many things to make your to make the video and to push the information to the people, you get me? So that's what we have investigated today. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and also please don't forget to put at least a comment if you are a YouTuber and tell us what changed into on your channel. You get me? Many things happen which we don't know, and if you guys you keep quiet, we'll never learn the algorithm for YouTube, how it works. So it was amazing for me to see that, and also I decided to come and share this with you. Maybe also it has happened to you before and you asked yourself what happened, but now you have the answers. I don't know if all the answers I gave you are the answers to that, but if there's something also you noticed I didn't even take out in this video or talk about, please put it in the comment box below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.